Hey guys, how's it going? So, some big news came out for FSD Pharma. Huge HUGE traded on the Nasdaq and the Canadian Security Exchange. Right now they're trading at $4.25 Canadian, but in pre-market on the Nasdaq is trading at like $12 right now, $11 right now. They came out with some news regarding COVID-19 and the stock took off. If you are not aware of SFD Pharma, a while ago they acquired a pharmaceutical company in the United States, and because of that acquisition of the pharmaceutical company, they are now they're in clinical trial of a dose of a new drug called FSD 201. You guys can read more about it, but this news basically skyrocketed huge stock. Anyways, before I continue with this video, I would appreciate a subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get 100,000 subscribers. Even if you never watch a single video of another YouTube video and you just came across this one, please subscribe because I want to try to hit that 100,000 subscribers. That's my lifelong goal on YouTube, and the faster I get there, the better. So please subscribe. I don't really care about the thumbs up. I just want a subscription to my channel. So, like I said, you never have to watch a single video again. I don't care. I just want a subscription to my channel because I'm trying to get 100,000 subscribers. Yes, like I said, huge went up $8.47 today. This is what I would do personally if you were to buy a little bit. Because yes, the stock could continue to go up after right now people are piling in the pre-market, but I think that after the pre-market opens, I think it could drop off. But who knows? Maybe it'll just keep going up and we can see this thing at freaking $20 today. 500% increase today. You never know in the stock market. The stock market is crazy, but it is overbought. It is extremely overbought in overbought territories. So, you know what? I don't know, this is not financial advice or anything, but I would definitely buy a strangle on it. If you can buy options on it, I would buy put options and call options because this stock is going to be moving. It's going to be moving today in a massive way. But again, not financial advice, just my opinion. So do whatever you want, but I'm thinking this thing's going to be volatile, and a strangle is the best play right now. It's because it's going to either move up or down, and you could be making hundreds of percent buying a strangle on this thing. So, in either direction, maybe both directions, depending on how it moves. So, again, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to attempt to play it out. I will update you guys in the afternoon to see what happens. If I can even buy a strangle, we'll see what happens. If there's even options to buy a strangle, let's go look at the option market. No, I can't even look at the option market. Maybe there is no options for SFD Pharma right now, and it's pure stock trading and shorting. So we'll see what happens, but if it is option, I definitely advise a strangle because this thing's going to be volatile today. Very volatile today, so yeah. Anyways, it's affecting all the other MJ stocks right now. So RTI, I think RTI is going to get affected today big time because not too long ago, on May 19th, RTI came out with their own COVID-19 news, and the stock took off So we'll see. We'll see what happens with RTI, but I'm expecting RTI to explode today, and I'm gonna be happy because I'm a shareholder, and I'm hoping this thing just takes off like a rocket. But we'll see what happens. It may not. It may just like sit sideways. Planet 13 today. I'm expecting Planet 13 to open up very positively too, because Jeremy pumped it last night, and this whole COVID thing. This is gonna just help out the overall market. Aurora, up 19 cents because of this news. Aurora does have CTTH Pharma. Maybe that's getting affected right now. Maybe. I don't know, but could be worth a gamble. Could be worth a gamble, but it is kind of a pharmaceutical play. Maybe. I don't know. But we'll see what happens at the end of the day. It's worth 24 million US dollars at 9 cents. That's kind of surprising. What is its market? How many shares it has? 21 million shares. So huge. SFD Pharma. That actually makes it cheaper than 24. It should be like 5 million, not $24 million market cap. For SFD Pharma, it's sitting at 8.7 million shares. So at $10 it would be considered 89 million. But at $12 it could be like 100 million. 100 million is not like crazy amount high, and this stock has gone up to $111 at one point on September 1st, 2018. So who knows? Maybe it'll go back to $100 and be worth $1 billion. $1 billion. That is a possibility for SFD Pharma. Just saying. Canopy growth is getting affected positively. Afria, Tilray up 14 cents. I imagine Tilray would be the most pharmaceutical company of them all, but SFD might have some kind of special medication that is working for COVID, and they're testing on clinical trials. And if that clinical trial is positive, SFD could be going higher. Like higher, like $1 billion high. Who knows? That's the crazy thing about pharmaceutical companies. They are not traded on fundamentals. They're traded on purely news. Hexo getting affected positively this morning. To DraftKings. DraftKings is up 28 cents this morning. I think DraftKings is overvalued. But even if I think it's overvalued, it doesn't matter. As long as other people don't think it's overvalued, it really doesn't matter. Zoom is up $2.22. So much for its correction. Last night it was in the red. This morning is in the green. But I still think Zoom is very overvalued. I think they're gonna surpass AMD in market cap here, but who knows? We'll see what happens. Maybe it'll drop. I think a correction needs to happen. Or it might just stay like this for a while before it drops. But I think eventually the stock price will drop and it won't surpass AMD in market cap. But who knows? Maybe it will surpass AMD in market cap. Beyond Meat down 19 cents this morning. GameStop, I'm still very bullish on GameStop. Space Virgin Galactic Mobile looks like an opportunity to me. Just don't know how low it will go. Nordic American Tankers trading, not really doing anything today. Genius Brand also moving up really high this morning, 66 cents. Neo also had a nice little pop this morning, up 38 cents, 8.09%. I don't even know why. There hasn't been no news. It's just been big money flowing into Neo lately. Tesla stock is up $5.24. 0.59%. Not too much to say about that. Anyways, thanks. Oh, I hope this has been a 10-minute video. Oh, wow, it's pretty close. Anyways, that's it for my video. I guess we could talk about the futures a little bit. Today, the futures are up green. Oil is down, which could be a positive for Nordic American tankers. When oil goes down, money might flow into Nordic. We'll see what happens, but I think most of Jeremy's watchers are probably looking at Planet 13 right now, but that's my opinion. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day.